Geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy means Earth's heat. The intensity of the thermal energy increases with the depth,
Which means the temperature of the Earth gets hotter when we travel closer to the core.
Ow, that was hot!
It would be 5,000 degrees Celsius at the core and almost hot enough to boil water on it.
Geothermal energy has two primary sources: primordial
and radioactive decay.
Primordial
Heat is what results from when the Earth became 4.5 billion years ago. And radioactive decay generates additional thermal energy and heats the Earth's insides.
They use tons of different sources to heat water into steam. For example, coal, nuclear, and natural gases. They then run through a turbine to generate electricity.
To get geothermal energy, you have to drill a hole into the ground so deep until you reach hot water. And then they use coal, nuclear, and natural gases to turn the water to steam. Then it goes into a turbine and makes electricity.
Besides for making electricity, we also use geothermal energy to heat our pools. We also use it for district heating, agriculture, and also laundry, just to name a few.
Many countries, including the United States, Mexico, Japan, Iceland, and the Philippines, are already taking advantage of their geothermal resources for electricity products. There are equal amount of pros and cons.
Like what?
Well, one of the pros are significant cost savings. Geothermal energy is very cheap and involves no fuel, so that means purchasing, transporting, and cleaning up plants does not cost much.
Number 2, reduce reliance of fossil fuels. By using geothermal energy, you're decreasing the use of fossil fuels, which is better for the environment.
Number 3, no pollution. Geothermal energy does not create any pollution, helps in creating a clean environment, it's renewable source, and reduces global warming.
Number 4, direct use. People have been using this source of energy forever. They've used it for taking baths, heating homes, making food, and direct heating to offices. Also using geothermal energy is affordable.
Number 5, job creation and economic benefits. Governments are investing in geothermal energy plants, which have created more jobs for local people.
Really?
Really?
Oops. Cons. Da, da, da.
Number 1, not widespread source of energy. Source of power is not popularly used, so there's an unavailability of equipment and staff. Also, there are not enough educated people for this job, and not enough suitable building locations.
Number 2.
Deuces.
High installation costs. To get geothermal energy, it requires building power plants. And in order to make a power plant, you must dig a deep hole in the ground, and that involves a huge investment in certified installers and skilled staff.
Number 3, can run out of steam. Geothermal sites sometimes run out of steam or too much water is put on to cool rocks. When this happens, companies who have invested in this plant lose money. So to make sure this problem doesn't happen again, the companies have to do a lot of research to fix it.
Number 4 may release harmful gases. Geothermal sites may have poisonous gases, and when the constructioners drill a hole, the gas can escape. So to make it safer, the geothermal plants must be able to contain harmful gases.
Number 5, transportation. Geothermal energy does not transport easily, like other resources do. Once geothermal energy is tapped, the energy is extracted so it can only be used in local areas.
Uh-oh.
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 Fun fact! Did you know that the very first geothermal energy plant was started in 1904 in Leonardello, Italy, and it's still there today?
Did you know geothermal energy can be used for energy and heat?
Geothermal energy is reliable, like my cat. Come here! Abby, come here! Come here! Clean and renewable.
When compared to power plants, geothermal power plants have a very small footprint, like this, on their local community.
Iceland generates 17% of its electricity and 87% of its heating from geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy is used in more than 20 countries, including USA, Italy, New Zealand, the Philippines, Costa Rica,
Iceland, Japan, Indonesia, Mexico, Kenya, Nicaragua. Oh, I didn't see you there. Did you know that geothermal energy is energy generated by heat stored beneath the Earth's surface?
Geothermal energy is safe and clean for the surrounding environment. It's okay, you're safe. Geothermal energy won't hurt you.
Oh my god! Why did I roll around in the dirty ground? I'm gonna die!
It's okay, you're clean, because geothermal is clean.
Don't worry, because geothermal energy doesn't waste water either. Hot water can be re-injected into the ground. No! See? Not wasting water!
Geo means earth, and thermal means water. Yo, I'll tell you what you want, what you really, really want.
So, tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want.
So, tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I want a hat.
Want a hat?
I want a hat.
I want a hat.
I want a really?
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 Want to learn about geothermal energy?
So here's a story from to Kate.
You want to learn with us? You gotta listen carefully. Geothermal energy. Bringing sexy back.
We have to film. Wait, the paper's...
Get up, we gotta finish. No. 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 Starring Brittany as Brittany, Kate as Kate, Abby as Abby, and Jen as person standing in the doorway.